welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to start off the new year with a makeup look. So yeah, if you'd like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already put on my foundation, concealer, eyebrows, and my powder. We're kind of rushing through this. I also did my contour, you know. But we're kind of rushing through this because I have to edit this and then upload it tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to be just starting off with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be pulling out my Morphe 35F Fall Into Frost palette. And I'm just going to be grabbing out the color Memento and just applying that on the outer corner of my eye, on the crease. After we have applied this, I'm going to be doing right next to it the color Chiffon. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know how to pronounce it. What if it's chiffon? Chiffon? It's either chiffon or chiffon. I don't know. And then after the color chiffon, whatever, I don't know what it's called clearly. I don't know anything. We're going to be doing the color Visible on the inner corner on the crease. Next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a brush like this, just a flat brush, and then going back into all those colors, starting with the color Memento, and just putting them on our eyelid. Okay, next thing I'm going to be doing is taking out my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Perlina, and I'm just going to be putting that, doing like a cut crease on my eye. Okay guys, while we're waiting for the liquid eyeshadow to set, we're just going to be doing my under eyes, and I'm going to be grabbing out my flat brush again and then going back into all the colors, starting with Memento and putting them under my eye. Basically for this, you're just going to start off with Memento and do almost like an ombre into Visible, the color Visible, so yeah. Then we're going to be grabbing out an eyeliner pencil and just putting that on our waterline. Next, I'm taking out my NYX Professionals, that is the point in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and then we'll work on my blush and everything else. Okay guys, so I finished my other eye and I also did my false eyelashes and my mascara and stuff. So now we are moving on to highlighter, which I have my Winky Lux Strobing Balm, and this is in the color Bubbles. Now I'm taking out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit, and I'm going to be using the blush and putting it on my cheeks. And finally, it is time for lipstick, which I'm going to be taking out the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Queen Bee. This is my favorite lipstick ever. And then you're done. Okay, beauty babes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think of the look. If you have any requests for any videos, you can also comment down below. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll all be in the end card. Bye guys, love you!